So we're gonna stuff our envelopes. Our envelopes are my Savvy Sense wallet, and this is our overflow and sinking fund file. I already went to the bank this morning and pulled out the money. So I'm gonna start first by showing you our budget. And our cell phone is still adjusting, so I just put what we normally pay until we find out what we owe. On the insurance is $93. For gas, Dustin gets 40, I get 40. And for allowance, he gets 30 and I get 30. And Justice gets 60 for his allowance. And then for groceries, we get 100. And the dog food and dog vet is going to be 20. They get that once a month. And for Dustin's hair is $10. That's for his haircuts, for his work. Clothing is $10. And we're going to apply $176 into the snowball. And on the 22nd, I get paid, and that goes into my checking account. We have separate checking accounts, but they're combined income. So I set aside $170 for the Harley. And then $20 for Dustin's cart maintenance, $20 for my cart maintenance, and then $20 for the Harley, and we're going to apply $44 to the snowball out of my check. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out any leftover money we have. I only have $1 left out of my car allowance. So I'm going to put this into this file as overflow, and that's going to go into my cart maintenance. I don't have much in here since I got my car repaired and I paid that, so I only have $5 now with my $1 added in there. We have $3 in our monthly that's left over. So I'm going to put this in here in case we need it for anything else. There's nothing in there right now. And in groceries we have $12 left. I'm going to leave 7 in here and put 5. I'm going to leave 7 in here because we usually get 2 gallons of milk of each, but we didn't at Aldi's. We just got 1 for now, so I'm going to use that to get more milk later on. And this is going to go towards you know, we need anything later on, or case lot sales, but we're probably not going to do any case lot sales since we're going to be moving. We don't want to take so much stuff, so we're going to probably not build up our pantry with a lot of canned goods yet until after we move. So we might save this grocery money for when we move, because you know, we're going to start off fresh. Yeah, you have something to say, baby? So I'm leaving 17 there, or 7 there. And Justice has 11 left over. I'm going to put his under holiday, and that we're going to be saving for his birthday, because his birthday's in April. So now he has 12 total in there. And I just spent the last bit of my personal money today, so there's nothing in there. And I went ahead and pulled out $40, 20 for Dustin's car maintenance and 20 for the Harley. That came out in January that I left in the bank. So I'm going to put that into the cart maintenance. So So 20 is going to go to Dustin. And 20 is going to go to the motorcycle. And then Dustin sold a bike. Well, he sold a bike. That was his own personal that he saved up for. So he used that for a game. Because he saved up his personal allowance to get that bike. And then he sold it so he can earn the money for the game. But he also sold a fence. So that way he can put $60 towards his car maintenance. Since his car is going to need a repair soon. So that's also going to go here. So now if he's going to try to do the repair himself. He just needs to find out exactly what is wrong with his car. I made $60 by babysitting so far, so I'm going to put this in this front pocket. And I'm going to deposit this money at the end of the month when I have everything, what I earned from doing that. And we're going to start saving for Colorado. I'm going to quit probably in the beginning of July so we can go over there and Dustin can do his interviews and we can get a place ready for us, find a place to live and get all that situated so we can just come here and move. And then Justice gets 60 for his allowance. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my Savvy Cents wallet. We already used our grocery money. So this is all that's left for my grocery money, the $7. And that's staying in here. I already used my gas money. I put up on gas. So I have $7 too, so I'm gonna leave them, put it in here in case I need it. Put a little bit more. Dustin gets 80 total, 10 for gas, 30 for his allowance, and then 10 for haircut. So that's 80. I'm gonna put his aside. We're putting $10 or $20 towards the dogs. And that's going to be used for their food. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it here on the grocery. There's another little slot. So that way I can go grab their food with that. And then there's 10 for clothing. I took out the 10 and put the 20 so I can break the bill. And then there's 30 for my allowance. So that's it. When I get paid on the 22nd, I'll pull out the $60 and then I'll make the payment of the $176 and the $44 from the snowball. That's a total of $220 that we'll be applying. So I'll make that payment once I get paid on the 22nd. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.